On the left-hand side, go to Apps, and then search for Motion Text. Click on the Motion Text app, and then open. Select any of the motions that you want to incorporate. You can go through the list here and select which ones that you like. I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and then enter the text that you want. So I can say, I want to replace this budget text with this motion text here. And then if I'm satisfied with that, I can add to design. I can, of course, change the font. I can change the positioning. I can change the color. But if I'm satisfied with this result, I can just click Add to Design. And now I can get rid of this text and replace it with this. So when I go to present, this is what it looks like. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.